For more than 30 years, JIMCO has helped numerous industries with odor and air treatment. Efficient utilization of existing space and custom-made based on requirements. It is even possible to run JIMCO units based on green energy. It has been documented that the technology works. And JIMCO has even won the EU Environmental Award in the Cleaner Technology category. JIMCO's technology is based on photolytic oxidation. UVC light will break down molecular chains, enhancing their reactivity with ozone. The ozone will oxidize the fragmented molecules. Photolytic oxidation will reduce pollution to the surroundings dramatically. Reliable 24/7 operation with minimal maintenance as the machine has an integrated washing system, CIP. With our Flo-K system, an odor reduction of over 75% can be achieved. If ammonia is present in the air, our newly developed frequency nozzle box can be installed to reduce NH3 levels by up to 100%. For odor reduction of up to 99%, a catalyst can be installed that finely polishes the air and ensures that any residual ozone reacts with hard, destructible components. And with real-time monitoring from a dedicated cloud system, it is possible to follow the process continuously and retrieve historical data. The system can even be remotely monitored from any position worldwide. JIMCO Sustainable Systems for a clean future.